Baling a tacky product, an engineering solution to a sticky situation. Companies often struggle with the baling of commercially important polymers. One company in particular is presented with the concern of a hydrogenated styrene dye black copolymer that expands after baling and becomes tacky when heated, the latter of which has resulted in the clogging of their conveying and baling equipment. Our solution will have two main parts: lubrication and cooler temperatures to minimize tackiness, and restriction to combat expansion after baling. To address the problem at hand, a specific process has been proposed. The first step of the solution begins with the transportation of the polymer through a screw conveyor, kept at a lower temperature and coated with a lubricant to minimize adhesion between the polymer and the conveyor surfaces, reducing the risk of clogging from within the shaft. Then, in the hopper feeder, the polymer is heated to a sufficient temperature of 65 degrees Celsius and funneled into the baler where it is compressed under a pressure of 1500 psi for 30 seconds. Finally, after the polymer leaves the baler, the product is temporarily boxed with metallic plates and placed in the cooling chamber to restrict its expansion. Once the polymers have cooled, they are no longer sticky, the plates can readily be removed, and the product can easily be packaged and exported. Taken together, these adjustments minimize the material's stackiness during conveyance and baling, effectively minimizing clogs and equipment downtimes throughout the process. At the same time, the polymer can be baled at the desired conditions without changing its physical or chemical properties, and the materials and equipment only cost a few $1,000s altogether, making for a cost-effective and efficient set of adjustments.